Hey, it's Tony with Build the Dream. I'm going to show you guys a really quick step-by-step video of how to set up the MOON LENCE camping tent. And I think it's one of the very best tents you can get for the reasonable price. That being said, here we go. First step is to separate all the parts. Next step, open up the poles and link the poles. Next step is insert the poles crosswise into the tent on the corners. And a really quick tip, make sure that the ends of the poles are pushed in. Boom, clip it like that. After the pole is inside of all four corners, you get this at the top from the tent and you tie them both together. Once it's tied up, take these hooks and you attach it to the pole on all four corners. Now you're gonna put the second layer of the tent, which is the Rainfly, on top of the tent. You're gonna wanna find the doors, just match the doors up. And once it's matched up, at the bottom you're gonna find the clip on the Rainfly that's attached to the other tent at the corner next to where you added the poles in. And you can also tighten the Rainfly on these clips. Lastly, you add the nails to the base and you attach the wind ropes. And if you're in a pretty windy environment, you're gonna want to use the wind ropes that are located on the corners and either tie them to trees, which will be much better. But if there are no trees in the area, you can just use one of the pins and clip it to the ground. There you have it. That's how you set up the MOON LENCE camping tent. If you want to see a full review of this video, click the link at either there or there, wherever it comes up, and you'll see the full review of this tent.